CapCut just changed the game. They launched a powerful new AI studio with image and video generation models built in. Script, storyboard, generate, edit, all in one place, and yes, it's free right now. CapCut Video Studio is currently available in limited countries. So to access it, we'll need to use a VPN. I recommend using Proton VPN. Just open their website and tap on Get Proton VPN. Choose the free plan. Then enter your email to create an account. You'll get an auto-generated password, either save it or set your own. Now download and install the VPN on your device. Once installed, open the app, log into your account, and simply tap Connect to activate the VPN. Now open the CapCut website in your browser. Tap on the Video Studio option. As you can see, I've got 300 free credits to test everything. Now if you go to the video section, you'll find multiple AI video models available. Let's try one. Enter your prompt. You can also adjust resolution, aspect ratio, and duration. Once you're ready, hit Generate. It usually takes a few minutes. And once it's done, you can download It's completely watermark free. This generation cost me 112 credits. Now instead of generating manually, let's try the AI agent workflow. I'll upload an image, set the mode to auto, add a prompt, and hit Generate. Now the AI automatically creates a full video structure for you, including scenes and flow. You can edit anything here before generating. Once you're ready, tap Generate again. You can also use models like Seedance too. You can find prompts for Seedance too on Telegram. Now, the video generation is complete, and again, it's watermark free. This one only cost me 15 credits. You can also extend or edit the clip further if needed. But if you want character consistency, make sure to upload reference images. To test further, I created a new account. This time I got 450 free credits. But here's the twist. When I generated a video, it consumed more credits, and the output had a watermark. So honestly, the system is a bit inconsistent right now. But if you still want to try it, here's a simple workaround. Just open this website. Paste the CapCut URL, and click Launch Browser. Now you can access it without using a VPN. That's it for this video. If you want, you can check out previous video on Seedance too. And if these methods stops working for you, just comment Seedance. I'll share an updated method.